Hi, I'm going to talk to you about the birthday rule. In the age where big tech silences certain opinions, big insurance has a set of their own dirty tricks that help them make more money, and thus you lose your hard-earned money for the sake of the insurance company's profits. The birthday rule is a rather new rule that was designed to give uniformity to health insurance across the states. It basically says that when there are two insurance policies where coverage applies, rather than the common sense approach of getting to use the one that has the better coverage or using both coverages, the insurance company decided to force you to use the person's insurance coverage that has the earlier birth date. So if you thought you were being super diligent and proactive and you sought out the higher quality insurance and the higher premiums, well, this rule seems to bite people who are the most diligent and proactive and the ones that have the dual insurance. This was exemplified recently in a Missouri news story involving a little 2-year-old Missouri girl named Charlie. She was born with some significant medical problems and spent about a week in the NICU. The parents did what they believed was smart, and mom went ahead and bought health insurance because dad's health insurance coverage wasn't as good. However, after $170,000 in medical bills and paying insurance premiums on both policies, the insurance company essentially told them, sorry, you need to use the junk coverage because of our birthday rule. Meaning that because dad's birthday was 2 weeks before mom's, the company decided that dad's insurance policy is the only one that applies. Now, if this sounds a little arbitrary and aimed at helping insurance companies make greater profits, then you're right. That's what it looks like to me too. This is only designed to help insurance companies. I mean, they didn't have a problem collecting the premiums on both policies despite the birthday rule prohibiting the applicability of one of them. Wouldn't it be nice to make your own rules that protect your money? Like, let's say, for example, the grocery store. You go to check out and like, oh, well, due to the birthday rule, you can't charge me for groceries this week. So we made a new rule that the other parent with the earlier birthday is the only one that has to pay for groceries. I know it sounds crazy. That's a ludicrous example, but that's what insurance companies have done in order to benefit themselves. Now, with some planning and foresight, this family could have forced the bills to only be submitted under mom's policy. They would have had to known that being diligent and prudent is kind of dumb, and the way that we would normally think diligence doesn't apply here. And they would have needed to cancel dad's insurance so that they only had one health insurance policy and one premium. Thus, the birthday rule would not apply because there would have only been one policy. I know you're probably thinking, like, this is absurd. I agree, it is. This is just another way for insurance companies to protect their bottom line. Always remember, insurance companies only make money one way. They make money by collecting premiums and not paying claims. So the rule, much like a casino, will always be written in a way that ensures that the insurance companies make a profit. So, if you and your spouse both have insurance coverages over each other and your children, you might look to see which policy is better and ensure that the birthday rule is applicable in your jurisdiction. If so, ditch the inferior one. If you would like more useful tips like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.